Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I try my best to share with you guys some of the top cryptocurrencies to invest in and how to save your buying power. Guys, what a beautiful sight to see. Right now, we have Bitcoin literally at $63,000. This is amazing. We have a new all-time high for Bitcoin. We have a new all-time high for Ethereum. XRP is killing people. Literally, watch out with XRP, guys. I know a lot of people are going to be jumping on that because it's going up. I reinvested a small amount into XRP, obviously just to ride the wave, but if it goes back down, that's nothing to care about for me. So this is something you got to keep in mind. XRP does go up as fast and also comes down as fast. So guys, today I have a really important video to share with you guys. There's a lot of things that we're going to be looking at. Before that, I do want to go over my YouTube channel and show you guys something that, like, obviously showing you guys how accurate a lot of the predictions that I've been making have been. Guys, I've been way back in my videos, been giving you guys VeChain 3 months ago. Gave you guys VeChain again here 3 months ago. Gave you guys Polkadot, VeChain, RSR, Reserve. I gave you guys RSR here as well. I gave you guys RSR here as well. And yeah, and we also kind of like did a video on like the oracles and like Chainlink and band protocol, which is right here. So let's take a look at these and how they're doing. Guys, this is VeChain. VeChain is on a tear. Every video I've kept telling you guys, to me, VeChain is literally like the Apple of crypto. So like they have so many partnerships, they have so many things that they're doing. And now they just announced a partnership with Salesforce, which has been pushing the price to the moon. And you guys can see I'm wearing my NASA t-shirt because I'm ready for a space mission. Are you? So I'm really excited to like share with you guys. And I'm in my call since here at 1 cent. And obviously, if you had taken this call and you had invested in held VeChain, you would have been up 500% right now. And also, we want to take a look at RSR real quick, which I had shared. You guys can go check out my video to confirm that this is a price. I had shared this on YouTube right here. And as you can see now, if you had taken that call, you're up over 300% on your money. And similar for Chainlink. So Chainlink right now, guys, I think that Chainlink is going to do some big things. And I had shared this back here. So you would have been over 129% on your money. What we're waiting for to see for Chainlink is that Chainlink is going to break this level and go make a new all-time high and enter price discovery. We had seen this before. And look, last time that Chainlink entered price discovery, we saw massive growth from Chainlink. And like, just to be quick, like if you're interested in getting an Oracle, I'd also recommend taking a look at Band Protocol. Band Protocol is going to be a killer, I think, for Oracles. And this is Band over here sitting at $16. I've been sharing this on I've shared this back in the past since here. I also gave this on my IG to friends at like $6, even this full breakout happened. And Band Protocol is looking great. So guys, I do want to touch up on a couple things that I do think that I need to bring to your attention, a couple things that are happening. And then we're going to get on to like a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and technical analysis on where I think that the market is going from now. First thing that I do want to pop on is we need to go back to the full market on home and see, guys, the entire crypto market right now is up 5.6%, which is extremely good. That means that we're seeing some gains from massive projects. We have XRP killing it. Dogecoin, guys, is back on the move. Be careful. Like, you guys do whatever you want with your money. So like, put your money where you want to put your money, but also keep in mind that you must have an exit strategy, because these things will pump based on basically like FOMO and a lot of other reasons. But keep in mind that everything that goes up must come down. So When you're getting into these, don't get in something that's already in 24-hour 30%. That's ridiculous, because as soon as you get in, I can promise you this thing's going to dump on you and you're going to be down 30%. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. One thing I do want to first, before I go into all the whole Bitcoin technical analysis, I do need to touch up on this with you guys. So first thing to keep in mind, we have the Coinbase IPO that is literally launching tomorrow, which is on the 14th, and Coinbase is already being valued, have a valuation of $100 billion, okay, which is huge. So before I go more deep into that, so they had their quarter one revenue being 1.8 billion, which is huge. So like, there's a lot of things going on in Coinbase, and I do believe that this Coinbase thing is going to be one of those major things that sparks the full bull run and major catalyst for crypto. And we will see this, and we'll see a lot of companies just buy up Coinbase in order to have exposure into cryptocurrencies. Another thing I do need to bring to your attention is that Coinbase also did join the DeFi Alliance. Okay, the Chicago DeFi Alliance. And if you must be wondering, like, why would they do that? Because obviously they know that DeFi is the future. And I've been telling you guys every time in this channel, DeFi is the future. If you don't understand DeFi, you're going to miss out on a lot, because there's so many coins out there. Guys, there's like, if you go on CoinGecko, you can see here, there's over 6,682 coins on CoinGecko. So there's a lot of coins. So like, how do you find what coins are actually going to make you money, and what coins are actually going to keep you in profit, and what coins you can just buy and hold for like continuous growth? How do you do that? You invest in DeFi and NFTs. Okay, you want to have a very balanced portfolio where you just really just focus on these, and I promise you, you will be successful. DeFi is the future of everything financial. And people don't understand that, and it's okay. When they understand that, it'll be too late, but we will be ahead. All right. So that's something I want to share with you. And this is another reason why Coinbase has listed 1inch. So just keep in mind that we could be seeing a lot of more DeFi projects being listed on Coinbase going forward, because DeFi is going to replace banks, in my opinion, or the smartest banks are going to come and they're going to adopt DeFi on their own. All right. So this is really exciting stuff, and I'm really excited to see where everything goes. And now let's get on to the Bitcoin analysis. Okay, guys, Bitcoin, new all-time high. I'm really happy, even though I'm not like seeing it, because but I'm extremely happy. But at the same time, I want everyone to be cautious, because things are about to move extremely fast from here on. I do think that so like a couple things I do want to touch up on. All right, we have a cross on the MACD, a very bullish cross on the MACD. All of these dumps, I've been telling you guys, coming back on these videos, telling you guys that we're not worried. We've been holding this trend line since $20,000, and keep this in mind. We've spent over 111 days over $20,000, and we've spent over 64 days over $40,000. So when people are telling you that Bitcoin is going to crash, these people actually don't know anything what they're talking about, and I'm going to show you guys why. Bitcoin is really just getting started. And how do I know that? So if we go way back to 2007, end of 2017 and 2018, right here. Hey, Nala. All right, Nala wants to say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi, girl. All right, that had to work. All right. So like, if we look to when Bitcoin literally went from about like 500 to $20,000, close to $20,000, guys, we really only spent about like less than a week up there. That was very brief. You see, like just here, that was about 3 days. We spent 3 days in all-time high, and that's nothing. So like, if you think about just the period that we spent over, let's say even over 15,000, right? Let's say 15,000. We only spent 30 days over 15,000. So what does this tell me? This tells me that this is just the beginning, and we haven't seen anything yet from Bitcoin. I believe that we're around like this area now. Like, as you can see, this is where we kind of like spent like 80 days somewhat over a certain level before we really had that blow off top. So I'm not worried about that. And I do believe that we are very, very, very early, and we are going to see a lot more institutions come into crypto and buying Bitcoin and stuff like that. All right, guys, so this is another chart I wanted to show you guys. Here I have the Fibonacci speed fan, resistance fan. And what I want you guys to know is that I had a previous video where I showed you guys this concept of why I look at this fan. And I'm going to zoom out and show you guys what I've been analyzing with Bitcoin. This has been one of the best indicators that I've been using to determine where the tops of Bitcoin are going to be. And I'm going to show you guys why. One, we have this major cross on the daily on the MACD, which is super bullish. We have not yet entered overbought area here yet. But what I want to show you guys here is if I go down, you can see that every line here have been serving as a resistance for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been going sideways on them. So when we broke out of this gray area to this blue area, before entering the green area, we got stopped here and started going sideways. And same thing happened here. So between this darker green area to this lighter green area, you can see that we started going sideways again. And again, we did that here. And as soon as we touched the red area here, we also had a major correction. And then we pushed up to literally touching exactly that line, and then came back down and started going sideways. And we did the same thing again. We climbed. We finally broke out of this line. And guys, if this isn't scaring you how accurate this is, I don't know what will. But you can check this out, and you can see how we literally went back up to this level and then came back down and then went back up and then started going sideways right on that line. And we're breaking this again. So what areas should you be looking at as for Bitcoin? And this is what I would kind of like advise that you take a look at. So the 70,000 area is going to be another resistance level. One, that's a psychological resistance level, and two, it's also showing on this fan, Fibonacci fan. So once we do go sideways from this area, the next level we should be looking at would be like around $85,000 Bitcoin. Which I do think will be happening probably before summer. And if you might be asking me, like, future, how high do I believe this Bitcoin bull run could actually go? And not just my opinion, guys. If I just pull up the fan, you can see that it is possible that this thing could go all the way up to $175,000. Well, take this with a grain of salt. I'm not saying that Bitcoin's gonna go up there like right away. We are going to see some major resistance levels, probably around $100,000. For example, I do believe that once Bitcoin does touch $100,000, we're gonna see a huge dump, maybe of 30 to 40%, possibly even bringing us back down to $80,000, and people are going to say Bitcoin's dying before we get another leg up and start pushing back up. Because why? $100,000 is a very psychological resistance level, so that's definitely something that you guys need to watch. So this is for Bitcoin. Now I want to take a look at Ethereum and what Ethereum is doing, because Ethereum itself is also making new all-time highs at the moment, and we are currently in price discovery for Ethereum. Guys, I definitely need Ethereum to start moving so that we can see our altcoins literally start to benefit from this whole movement and stuff like that. So what is my game plan, and how do I plan to play this market? And I do need you guys, I know a lot of newbies are here. I do want you guys to have a concept of how this thing's actually going to play out. So and people are not really like telling you guys what's really going to play out. Is you need to understand this. Bitcoin is going to pump, and Ethereum is going to pump, and they're going to lead the market. And from there on, you're going to see, after these two are pumping, that these mid-cap coins, maybe from the third spot to maybe the top 20s, these are going to start moving faster and outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then you will see a lot of the low cap coins come out of nowhere and start exploding, doing 10 to 20x gains. All right, so yeah, this is all that I had to share with you guys. guys, this is beautiful. I'm really excited to see that a lot of these things that I've literally been calling out for a very long time are actually coming to tuition, and that people now are actually paying more attention to cryptocurrencies and what they represent. And I did want to touch up on something else, which is right now the competition between the US and China is heating up, and I do think that is going to have a very positive impact on cryptocurrencies in general, because I'm seeing this narrative of on the news, especially, that all these people are talking about how like China is creating their own digital currency, and we don't want to be left behind as the United States, because we tend to be in front of innovations and stuff like that. So I do think that it's going to make them ease up on all the negative approach that they have for cryptocurrencies, and moving forward, this might just be the beginning of an extreme bull run. And guys, like, I really want you guys to do more research and get into crypto, because I do believe that this is your time. This is literally your time to do all your research and dive in and literally make life-changing money, because these opportunities don't come around all the time. You know, this is going to be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you guys to make a lot of money. So I really hope that you guys take this very seriously, and that you do your research, and then you start diving into some serious project, because the train's about to leave and you don't want to be left behind. All right. So we want to be future proofs. We need to prepare ourselves for the future, and we need to do the necessary deeds in order to be prepared. Okay. All right. That's all that I have for you guys today. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's staying safe. Most importantly, future proof.